Variables. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data that can be used and manipulated throughout our code. JavaScript uses where, let, and const to declare variables. Syntax: for where variable value; for let variable name value; for const variable name value. This is the example program which I had written for where variable, creating objects and function function example where. If true, it means if condition is true, then it goes to block and execute it. Otherwise it comes out of the block and execute console.log where variable. Same like this as let also and const also. In JavaScript, arrays. In JavaScript, arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Arrays are a type of object and are used to hold list of items. Here, brief overview of their syntax and an example program. Means it will creating an array, accessing an array, modifying an array elements. In arrays, let we discuss creating an array. Means it is the example, let fruits is equal to it means it's the list of the program, and accessing means I will access the or I will print the array elements. Means I will modify the array element. For example, if we take apple, I will modify it to blueberry. So I will change it to fruits of 0 is equal to blueberry, or fruits I will if I change the banana, I will take fruits of 1 equal to blueberry. It's and print the given statement. Means console.log is equal to fruits of 1. It is the second. Functions are the block of code designed to perform a particular task and can be reused throughout the code. It is the function declaration. Function declaration is equal to function name, parameters, statement, and function expression. Means const function name is equal to function parameters and statement block, and end it. Method definition: const object is equal to method name, parameter, statement. It is the statement block and end the loop. Example program. Here I will write example program for the function. Function greeting of name. Hello means return means return it to the function. Return hello s dollar name and apostrophes. Console.log is equal to greet of Alice. It will print the name as hello Alice and apostrophe exclamatory. And second, const multiply function of a comma b. Return a into b and close the block, and it will print console.log is equal to multiply of 4 comma 5. These 4 comma 5 given to the function a comma b, and it will return the 4 into 5 means it will give the output as 20. And const calculator, it will add means in a calculator we have different add, subtract, multiply, division. I will take any of two as add and subtract. Add a comma b, return a plus b, or subtract a minus b. Console.log is equal to multiply 4 comma 5, and it will given to the main as function add as 4 comma 5. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, and it will print 4 plus 5 9 as subtract 4 minus 5 minus 1. And objects are a collection of properties where each property is a key value pair. Objects are a fundamental parts of a JavaScript are used to store and manipulate data. Here the some of the example. And syntax const object is equal to key key 1, key 2, key 3 and so on, key n. We will end the loop. And const, it is the example program, first name, last name and age and greet and return. And these are the given to the main function. It will print the first name and last name and greet, access and modify parameters. This is the program for the access modifier, and it will same as the first program. Means we can modify or access the parameters using methods. We can use the methods in objects like as 5 and 10. Means it will area rectangle area means uh, a width into height, so it will return the 5 into 10 means 50, and perimeter means 2 into length width plus height means 2 into 5 plus 10 30. It will return the 30, or it will return the means I will only print the console dot area, so it will print the only area as 50. Loops is commonly used when the number of iteration is known beforehand. We will use loops for reducing the program for loop. For syntax, for initialization, condition, update, and it is the statement block and end the code. Example program for let I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, console.log is equal to I. It will print the numbers up to 0 to 4. While loop is used when the number of iterations is not known and the loop continues as long as the condition is true. And syntax, while condition code to be executed. Example program, let I equal to 0, while I less than 5, console.log is of I and I plus plus. It will the print up to 0 to 5. Means let I is equal to 0 means we will take the number I 0, and while means it will check the condition and it will print. Console.log means it will print, and I plus plus means it will increment the number up to 1. Means 0 plus plus means 1, 1 plus plus means 2 up to 4. When the 5 will become 5 less than 5, so statement is false, so it will come out of the loop. Do while is similar to the while loop, but it guarantees that the statement block is executed at least once. Syntax, do statement while condition. Example program, do console.log. It will also check the condition with after the do block. Means we will write the while block after the do block. So do console.log is equal to I plus plus, y I less than 5. So it will check the condition in while block. That's it. Thank you.